Okay, in this occasion, we will convert a range to a list. We can adapt the code that we have grown in the previous exercise. Copy to the clipboard and paste here. We need to change tuple to a list and execute this code, and we get a list. A list with values from 1 to 10. That is all the content of that list. A range from 1 to 10. So we now know that we can convert a range to a tuple or to a list. A tuple object cannot be modified. We cannot change the content of one tuple. The list object is mutable. We can modify its content.